The automatic FRDS unit is not qualified as a flight critical system. Due to this rating, never operate the aircraft in a way that will endanger the aircraft in the event the doors do not open. For your safety, please become familiar with the fundamentals of safe and efficient FRDS operations. Never arm the system until you are prepared for door operation. This is your safeguard against an inadvertent door operation due to system malfunction or pilot error. Always confirm that your system is armed and ready when beginning your final approach to drop retardant. Once you've confirmed the system is ready for a drop, radio "final and armed" as verbal confirmation and to alert others you're about to drop retardant. Never operate the aircraft in a manner where you do not have enough time to activate all 3 dump systems sequentially to empty the hopper. Never fly upslope to dump on a fire. Maintain sufficient altitude to climb away if dump is aborted. Always control aircraft pitch-up. When making a drop, the nose of the aircraft will begin to climb, especially when dropping at high coverage levels. Keep pitch-up to a minimum by applying forward pressure on the control stick as soon as the fire button is pressed. Maintain level flight throughout the drop. Failure to control pitch-up during a dump may result in a stall. Redundancy is provided by the manual control system and pneumatic backup system. These are provided to allow the system to operate in the event of an automatic system failure. Actuation of the manual system can take from 0.5 seconds to several seconds, depending on how much pressure is present in the system. Actuation of the mechanical pneumatic system can take 2 seconds or more, depending on the pilot's response time and various other factors. The pilot should plan on taking 4 to 6 seconds to release retardant using all 3 systems in succession. In an emergency, drop the load. First, press the yellow manual salvo button. Second, press down the button on the pneumatic E-dump lever and move the lever forward.